Yes, sir.
Have you ever met my friend Valerie? Hold up, you don't know? Truck of avocado. Truck of avocado.
What's going on, guys? What is going on? Truck of Avocado coming back at you with another trucking vlog. That's right, you heard it here first. Another trucking vlog. Another vlog of trucking. Right now we are in the Salt Lake City area. I can't exactly tell you what town I'm in, but I know I just went through Salt Lake City. I mean, just look at the views. I love Salt Lake City. Has to be like in my top 10 just because of, you know, it's really nice out here as far as like with the mountains and stuff like that and the views. But anyhow, we are about 3.7 miles from our exit here, exit 324 for northbound US 89 or 84, I think, as well. Yeah, anyhow, and then from there we have about maybe like 14 miles to go to our delivery this morning, or should I say this afternoon. By the way, today is January 10th and it is 12:37 p.m. so good afternoon to all you folks out there, you gals and guys, you truck drivers and non-truck drivers. Just good afternoon to everybody who's watching my video. And as always, I do appreciate your support. I do appreciate you guys watching, and I do appreciate you guys sticking by me when I wasn't making videos. You know, a lot of you folks, you know, would email me or text me like, hey, are you okay? And I really do appreciate that. You guys are really good people. I really appreciate that. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and start looking to get into the right lane. I got about 2.3 miles to go to my exit. Some cars passing me up here on the right hand side, so we're just gonna wait for these fellas to go on and pass me. There's a Chevy pickup truck who looks like he's speeding up. So Ogden police, nice, breaking the law there. I just seen that. You seen that on a solid white line? Don't worry, I won't tell nobody. I won't tell nobody. Only we know that he did that. All right. We're gonna go ahead and start getting over. And yep, we are good to go. All right. So we got about 1.5 miles to go, and this is not where. Oh, okay. I was about to say, this is not where I'm supposed to be in this exit only lane. Be a douche move to get in this lane and then go back over. I hate when that happens. Don't you guys hate it? So it's 84 east, north 89, 84 east, US 89 east, north, US 89 north, I-84 east. Jeez, my brain is in shambles this morning. Shambles, I tell you, shambles. So what's up, guys? Man, this tarping stuff is insane. I still don't have like my routine down, so it still takes me a while to tarp, but that's okay. Like I said, I only got 2 months in here, 2 months and 6 days to be exact, doing this kind of flatbed work. So I know with time it'll come quicker and quicker and quicker until I can get to 30-40 minutes. But right now we're still up in the hour-and-a-half range, 2 hours, you know. Even with this load, a freaking easy load is a square load. It's pretty simple, and my tarps weren't strong, so I had to string these tarps together, and it was just, man, I tell you what, fun stuff. Tell you what, fun stuff. So see, up here speed limit's 35 for this ramp. I'm gonna go ahead and slow down here. That's for the exit though, so I think I gotta get in the left lane. Yeah, I'll turn this off. All right, any of you guys gonna let me come in? Come on, speed up, would you? you have the chance to accelerate and you don't. Like, I take the chance to accelerate anytime I can. Like, when I'm on my car, when I'm in my car, man, I literally just put the pedal to the metal, like, whoop. Especially when I'm merging, man. Shoot, I'm probably going, when I'm in my car, I'm going over the speed limit when I'm merging, because I'm trying to get in. You feel me? And I don't want nobody stepping on their brakes, because if somebody steps on their brakes, then that means you fucked up. Alright guys, so just gonna keep going here about 7.3 miles, and then we will be at our, well, we'll be at the exit to our destination. Turn up the music, turn down the lights, I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay. Alright, it's about that time, in a minute, I'm in a... Alright, this is our exit here. Enough of that singing. There's a whole bunch of construction going on around here, so alright, let's see what lane we need to be in to make this left turn. There's no signs, no nothing, so not quite sure on that. I definitely forgot to... Alright, we're gonna unlock this, and here we are. Alright, it's gonna be on the left hand side, on the right hand side actually. Uh-oh, I screwed that up. Alright. I think we could have took the double. I think we could have been on the outside lane, because that looks like the entrance just for the entrance for the interstate or whatever. So what a yabs. All right guys, so we got about 2.5 miles to go, so we should be there in a jiffy. You guys see that? That's a F-18, I guess what they call it. He is out. Jeez, what a view. That was nice. Sounds nice. So in about half a mile, we're gonna be making this right up here. Yeah, in about, well, about three quarters of a mile now. Well, about a quarter of a mile now. Just a little over. All right, we're gonna be making a right up here on North Fairfield Road. What in the world? Dude. Alright, we're gonna make this right up here, and then we're gonna make a left. We're just gonna stay in this lane here. Right behind this flatbed. I guess we're coming to the same place. I gotta use the bathroom. Alright, the entrance is gonna be right up here, this first entrance here. Alright. Damn, I really gotta use the bathroom. Look at that Tesla color. I like that color, man. Oh, here comes another one. What in the world? Well, propane sold here, so if you guys need propane in the this area here. All right. Let's wait for that car to come through here. Just because I'm gonna go very, very slow going in. Oh, come on, dude. Yes, sir.
Have you ever met my friend Valerie that helps in here?
It's my first time here.
Oh boy, I tell you, she's something. She's a really special friend of mine. I went to school with her for a long time ago.
Okay.
She helped my grandfather. She helped my grandfather with his business. He had successful business in the state of Utah for 50 years.
Yeah?
Before he retired at 72 years old, right here in my hometown.
Nice.
Yeah, it is nice. Huh?
Nice, yeah.
Yep, that was one of my first jobs. I was packing sheetrock.
Yeah?
I got it, and it was kind of a child labor law violation, not for my grandpa, but for one of the companies in California. 13 years old. I packed that 5/8 sheetrock. Every room in the hotel, 7 stories. In Santa Rosa.
That sure is a child violation law.
Yeah, that worked my ass off. Hey, thanks, brother.
Thanks. Have a great day. All right. All right, let's come in here. Nice and easy to the right. You guys saw it here first. All right, let's go turn in this paperwork and get ready to untarp this load. And I gotta use the bathroom, so hopefully they have a restroom in there. All right, let's go ahead and check in, and I'll be right back with you guys. Not before we see this fighter jet that is probably over my head already. I didn't see it. All right. Oh, there he goes. Nice. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, holla for the dollar, baby. Peace out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading